I am an admitted aviation fan and a gamer, so where better to throw a party than at a place that has not one, but two state-of-the-art flight simulators, which is right here at the Sackon Aerospace Museum in Omaha. You know, the obvious reasons to come to the Tiger Paw Conference are the daytime agenda items. Our training team is going to be there to teach you the ins and outs of Tiger Paw. We have got industry experts who are going to talk about best practices and what's going on in the industry. There's so much learning that takes place during the day. But if you talk to somebody who's been to one of our events, I bet they tell you they got just as much out of the social aspects, the networking with other Tiger Paw users, hundreds of Tiger Paw users. Whether you're on a bus or you're walking around the plains here at our offsite party, you know, you toss out a business challenge, I bet somebody around you is going to have faced that challenge and beaten that challenge. You're going to make new friends and you're going to learn how other people are using Tiger Paw in their organizations. So, you know, come for the daytime stuff, but I promise you're going to get just as much out of the nighttime stuff. Our motto is work hard, play hard. So learn during the day and get your brain full of Tiger Paw knowledge and industry knowledge, and come and enjoy the great parties we throw in the social aspect, make some new friends, and learn how other users are using Tiger Paw. And if you're so inclined, you can join me in one of these flight simulators at our offsite party at the Sackon Aerospace Museum. So come on out to Omaha. I hope to see you in October. Oh, that's really cool.